Hello everyone, I am Sridevi Kalyani Kingi from TYB CSC department and my roll number is 316. So today we are going to learn a concept from IOT, that is 4 core functional stack. It's a conceptual layered architecture that explains how the IoT system operates end to end from physical devices to user application. First, we are going to learn about the device layer. This is the bottom layer where data is generated. Key functions are sensing real world data, that is temperature, motion, humidity, etc., collecting and converting physical signals into digital data. Components, sensors. Usually, the device layer contains components like sensor, actuators, embedded systems, sensors that is temperature sensor, motion sensor. Actuators are motors, relays, and embedded systems are Arduino, Raspberry Pi. And device layer example or perception layer example can be a temperature sensor in a smart home measures room temperature. Next layer is connectivity layer, or we can say it a network layer. This layer transmits data from devices to the other systems. The key functions of connectivity layer is data communication between devices and cloud, secure data transfer. Technologies used in this layer is usually Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee. Cellular networks are 4G, 5G. Protocols like MQTT and HTTP is used in this layer. In short, we can say connectivity layer connects the layers and the functionalities of the other layers with one layer to another layer. So this layer is used to transmit the data. We can also say that network layer is a path to transfer the data from one layer to other layer. So example of connectivity layer or network layer we can have as sensor sends temperature data to cloud by Wi-Fi. See, sensor sends the data to the cloud with Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi, the sensor sends the temperature data to cloud. That is what the connectivity layer is. Next is application layer. This is the top layer where users interact with system. The key function of this layer is displaying the data to users, providing control interface, generating alerts and reports. Examples are mobile apps, web dashboards, smart home apps. User checks temperature and controls AC using a mobile data. So usually the application layer is a top layer where users directly interact. It can be any application, any dashboard, any website. That is an application layer referred to. Third, we can say as data processing layer. It is a middleware layer. This is the brain of the IoT system. We can say this is the main part of the core functional stack or IoT system, complete IoT system. Key functions of this layer, that is data storage and processing, data filtering and analysis, decision making. Technologies are cloud platforms, that is AWS IoT, Azure IoT, databases, AI ML algorithms completely are in this layer. Example of this layer can be cloud analysis temperature data and decides whether AC should be turned on or not. See, this layer contains all the right of the device completely running or functioning of this device. Next layer is application layer. In this layer, the top layer where users interact with the system. Key functions are displaying the data to users, providing control interface, generating alerts and reports. Example, mobile apps, web dashboards, smart home apps. User checks the temperature and controls AC using the mobile app. So let's go through the diagram of core functional stack.